Hi and welcome to Morgoth Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing this. It's a 60-piece Iceland chicken platter. It's a big value pack. Let's get in it, shall we, and see what it's all about. Approximately 20 pieces of hot and spicy chicken strips, approximately 20 bread chunked chicken, and 20 southern fried chicken chunks. 60 pieces altogether. Big value pack. Loving it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Right, so I presume these are the spicy hot strips. Nice. What else we got in here? Okay, so these must be the light breaded chunks, chicken chunks. Get quite a few in there. And these are the southern fried chicken pieces here, chunks. Lovely. Right, so this is all cooked up now, cooked at 180 degrees. So you've got your southern fried here. Let's have a look at that. Proper chunks of chicken, lovely. Got your strips, again proper chicken, not processed. Yeah, all proper chunks of chicken, lovely. Okay, so let's try the hot and spicy chicken strips first of all. They're quite nice, look at them. Well, they've got a nice coating on that. Let's give it a go, shall we? Okay. Not very hot. Okay, it builds on, yeah. It's a bit like a spicy Dorito kind of level 2 kind of chili taste to that. Not offensive, nice. A couple of them, a couple of beers, nice. Right, so that's that one. And then we've got the breaded. It says here breaded chunks chicken. Now that's like a fine breading on that. You can see that. Quite nice. Let's give that a go. Got like a light breading on that. It's a bit like your popcorn chicken you get from a chicken place. It's a bit like popcorn chicken basically. They're quite nice. I think you need some sort of sauce with them. They can be quite boring. I think you've had quite a few of those. And then we've got these southern fried chicken chunks here. Now these I'm looking forward to. They've got like spicy peppering coating on them. They look quite nice. Look the part with the charming on them and all that. Let's give them a go. Oh yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, very nice. So out of three, it's a spicy one and the peppery one that's nice. The other ones are okay, but they're mainly for dipping. I mean, that's good. All that for a fiver, I believe. All that for a fiver. That's cheap. That's good. There's 60 pieces of chicken there. Great value. Yeah, it is great value. Would I get it again? Yeah, I would. Nice one. Definitely recommend that.